Welcome back again. And now what we want to do is show you how to join a live extra help session. So let's say I've gone through here and I've worked on my quiz and I'm still like, well, I'm still not sure about one of those, or I need some help in the coursework or just learning how to use the system. What do I need to do? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right back up here where it talks about my log into my extra help session. And I'm going to click here and do it this way, but I'm also going to do it right from the lessons area so you can see it there too. But this is where it's going to take me and log into my extra help session. But let's go back to lessons as a whole. Let's say you just logged in and you wanted to go in and you wanted to go to your extra help session. So what do? So for your extra help session, you just click on what it says, log into your extra help session, and then you can see the different times. For this particular course, it's Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, every class has a different time, so make sure that you're noticing what time. Now, we will send you an email about 15 minutes before the help session begins. Now, again, pay attention to the time zones, because if this is Miami, Florida time, New York time zone, Eastern Standard Time zone. So what do I need to do? Well, all I do is I click on here that says join your help session. So you get the email, you say, hey, I can go in here and I can join. We want you to join about 5 minutes before it starts. If it's Monday at 7, join around 6:55 p.m. Click on and go to Zoom. If you need help with Zoom, there is how to use Zoom right here. You can click this and you can watch a short video on that. Matter of fact, I'll open that up. And it takes you to something from the Zoom group about how to go through, getting started, how to go through and see what they're doing. This is how to join a meeting. But really all you need to do is just simply click here. Now you're going to notice here that the meeting hasn't started yet. And the reason why is because it's not Monday at that particular time. So it tells me that it's going to try to launch, wait for the host to start that meeting. You can test your computer audio, whatever you need to do. Or if you don't happen to have Zoom yet, it's going to have you do a quick download to get Zoom on your computer. But once you join, what you'll be able to do is talk to one of our teachers, ask questions, and while you're in there, then you can say, and if it says you've updated, well, maybe I need to do an update. Let me go ahead and do my update. Apparently I needed to do an update, so we're good on all set on the updates as well. But while that's doing the update, I'm going to go back over here, and good, thanks for doing the update for me, and it'll keep working there in the background. But once you use the extra help session, the help sessions are designed that students can come in, you can ask questions, you're going to be talking to a teacher, they're going to show you your coursework area, coursework problems, and you can work together on a problem. It's first come, first serve, so if you might see there's 3 or 4 or 5 students there, the teacher's going to talk to you, come prepared with your question, and while you're working on the problem that they worked with you on, then they're going to talk to the next student, and they're going to come right back around to you and say, how can I help you? Is there any other questions that you have? And if you do, then great. And if not, then you can log out at any time. But that's how the help session works. You're going to get the email, but make sure that you come to the course area, and in the course area, you come to your extra help session. So this is where you're going to click log into the extra help session. So there you can see everything there is to see when it comes to how to get into the help session. And if you're having trouble, there's a great technical support that you can call. The tech support guys for Zoom are awesome. This is the phone number to call, the 188 number. They are going to ask you for your meeting ID. Make sure you select option 2. The meeting ID is just the name of the meeting, this 480-543-990. Now, this is this particular meeting. Each one has its own. Look, if I click on the Wednesday one, has a different help session meeting number. So when you go in here, you're going to notice here, this is 602-830-864 as you go to call in. Okay, so that's working with Zoom. The best thing to do with Zoom is go ahead, join a meeting, check it out, and see how it works. All right, well, there you go. So now you know how to get in, how to see everything there is in the course, and if you need to work on an extra help session, you can log in and join us and meet us online live. All right, have a great course.